Hey gamers! Welcome back to Xplody FPS. So here's the thing. If you're installing Windows 11 and it suddenly demands an internet connection and a Microsoft account, yeah, that can be super annoying, especially if you're setting up a rig just for gaming or if you're like, nope, not today, Microsoft. Heh. Now don't worry, this isn't some shady workaround. It's just a clean little trick that skips the online account nonsense during setup. It's super helpful if you don't have Wi-Fi in the moment or just want to stay offline. And hey, real quick, if you find these little tips helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and sub to Xplody FPS. Alright, let's do this. Okay, so you're on that setup screen and it's all like, sign in with Microsoft. Here's how to bypass it. Step 1, open command prompt. When you're on that Microsoft account screen, press Shift plus F10 on your keyboard. If you're on a laptop or a smaller keyboard, you might need to press Shift plus Fn plus F10 instead. That'll pop open a command prompt. Step 2, disable your internet if already connected. If you're already connected to Wi-Fi or Ethernet, type this into the command prompt, ncpa.cpl, then hit enter. That opens your network settings. Now, right-click your active network adapter, the one that says connected, and hit disable. Once that's done, close the window. Step 3, run the bypass command. Back in the command prompt, type this command exactly like this, oobe, /bypassNRO, press enter, and boom, your PC will restart on its own. Step 4, choose offline setup. After the reboot, you'll notice something new. There's now an option that says, I don't have internet, or continue with limited setup. Click that, and you can now finish setup with a good old local account. No Microsoft login required. Easy win. Once you're on the desktop and everything's good to go, you might want to get your internet back on. Just press Windows plus R, type ncpa.cpl again, and press enter. Then right-click your network adapter and select Enable. You're back online. And that's it, folks. Quick, simple, and way less annoying. If this helped you out, smash that like button, sub for more PC fixes and gaming tweaks, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.